Align the fan with the mounting slot and attach it to the machine. Tighten the screws. Connect the power cable and tighten it. Install the paper feeder bracket. Loosen the screws. Install the round rod. Tighten the screws to secure the round rod. Pass another round rod through the hole in the paper feeder. Install it onto the machine, making sure the paper receiver's mounting slot aligns with the first round rod. Tighten the screws to secure it. Connect the power cable and tighten it.